Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. What if your code could write itself? Meet Replit Ghostwriter, the AI-powered coding assistant built right into your IDE. In this video, we'll dive deep into its top features, test it live, and see if it's really the best coding AI in 2025. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I am using Edge browser to test these prompts. First, let's see a brief introduction about this AI. What is Replit Ghostwriter? Replit Ghostwriter is an AI assistant integrated inside Replit's cloud-based coding environment. Whether you're writing Python, JavaScript, or C++, it helps with code suggestions, bug fixes, and even explaining your own code. Let's talk about some features. Smart autocomplete. Start typing a function, and Ghostwriter completes it intelligently. It understands your context and can predict what comes next, saving hours of typing. Test case generation. With a click, it can generate unit tests for your functions, perfect for developers who want to save time on testing. Code explanation. Paste a function, and it'll tell you exactly what it does in simple English. Now, let's put on some tests. Prompt 1. Building and web app. Here I'm entering prompt as create a Flask app with routes to view and add tasks. Now let's see what it generates. Now click on the Accept Plan button. Your task starts preparing. Boom! You can see how our app gets generated. You can see the live preview of your app right here, and also, you can interact with it from here. I'm trying to add a task here by giving a title and description. And even you can choose the status of the task. And now click on the Save button to save it. See? You can even see tasks list. Did you see how simple it is to make an app? This creates a working backend API. Ghostwriter writes production-ready Flask code from a simple comment. Prompt 2. Build a simple portfolio website. Here I'm entering prompt as create a simple portfolio website with name, image, and contact. Now let's see what this gives us. Now click on the Accept Plan button. Your task starts preparing. It takes some time to create a full working portfolio website. Looking good, right? Look how cool this website looks. We have a contact form, name, and along with our photo on the top. Ghostwriter builds front-end structure plus styling instantly. Great for beginners making websites. Prompt 3. Create 3D game. Here I'm entering prompt as create a rotating 3D cube using 3.js. Let's see what it gives us. Now click on the Accept Plan button. Your task starts preparing. This looking great, creating a simple game using a single line of code. Look how this 3D cube is looking. You can even zoom in and zoom out and move around it. Ghostwriter gives you runnable 3D code from nothing but a comment. Helps creators instantly bring 3D objects to life in the browser. So, is Replit Ghostwriter worth it in 2025? If you love coding in the cloud and want AI to boost your productivity, definitely yes. Try it out and let me know your thoughts in the comments. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials and tech tips. See you in the next video.